Hi everyone, welcome to Master Paint YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to paint this image. First of all, we start with a preliminary drawing using dark and neutral colors. Pay attention to broken lines to show shapes and the areas created. One of the most important things in painting is using drawn points to find the next points. Also, hypothetical horizontal or vertical lines can lead to finding the next shapes. At this stage, determine the range of shadow and light and complete the drawing with simple hatching. After the preliminary drawing, coloring starts from the brightest part of the image. Free and linear movements of your brush will make your painting more attractive. Try to place colors next to each other like a puzzle. We create the initial color of this avocado by combining lemon yellow and a very small amount of viridian. We lighten it with a little white and add a very small amount of bright red as a complementary color. This color tends to lean towards other colors in different parts. Therefore, you need to identify them very precisely and then make your primary color inclines towards them. For example, in the edge of the avocado, the light color tends to be slightly darker and leans towards viridian, and in another part, it tends to yellow ochre and then becomes even darker so that the nature of yellow and green is completely lost and neutralized. These colors are obtained by combining complementary colors. For the seed color, we use Indian red and burnt sienna. These two colors are brightened with yellow ochre and darkened with permanent rose and sap-green, and they are neutralized with blues. All shapes have two parts, light and dark. Without these contrasts, three-dimensional visualization cannot be achieved. We color the cast shadows by combining two complementary colors and creating a tendency towards purple and blue. Try to consider color diversity and avoid creating a uniform surface. The cast shadows near the objects appear slightly darker. We also choose the background color based on appropriate contrasts. The best of them are dark and light contrast, cool and warm contrast, and pure and neutral contrast. I use tape to have a precise frame on the edge of my work. In coloring the background, move your brush freely to make your work more attractive. From now on, we focus on correcting colors in a limited way. This stage is very important. Sometimes I see students who remove the previous layer colors or reduce their shine by excessive coloring. Therefore, note that in this section, only color corrections and strengthening some contrasts should be done. Highlights also show by dark and light contrasts and complementary colors. For example, to display the highlights of the avocado seed, we create a combination of opposing color with a combination of white, blue, or green. This rule is always applicable. The highlight of each surface is a combination of white and the complementary color of that surface. Reflections also play an important role in displaying three-dimensional shapes. They are always placed next to strong shadows and are bright and somewhat neutral. Drawing with a pencil is also very useful to get better forms. Drawing consistently is highly beneficial for acquiring painting skills, so consider it in your daily schedule. In the final part, pay attention to the movement of color from light to dark and practice it several times. If this video was useful for you, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be informed of future videos. Good luck.